You might not interested to see your camera exposed under the hot sunshine or covered with snow. Do we have any solution for that? Yes, we do!
Afidus exclusive sunshine bracket protects your time-lapse camera from extreme environment. Made of 304 stainless steel. Super durable and never rusted. Easy combined with Afidus time-lapse camera. No double-side tab needed. Protects Afidus camera from directly exposed under sunshine, rain, and any potential threat. Perform hold for tripod installation and strap. Binding with Afidus C-clip, bracket, and all kinds of tripod and strap. Protection and installation in the same time. It also includes an anti-thief hole. You could use a lock or belt to lock it on things. One more thing. It's safe enough room for power button. You could boot up or turn camera off without removing this bracket.
Afidus C-clip with multi-tripod and ball head. Ultra-durable aluminum material. Clamp on anywhere you want. Most welcome accessory. Metal bracket with a tripod ball head. Simply stand or fix with screw. Super easy to use.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe Afidus YouTube channel for more amazing video. Bye.